A light magnitude 3.4 earthquake hit 12.4 kilometers, 8 miles, away from Iskilip, Corum, Turkey, around noon of Monday, May 12, 2025 at 12:51 p.m. local time. Europe, Istanbul GMT +3. The quake had a very shallow depth of 5.4 kilometers, 3.4 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, EMSC after 10 minutes. The earthquake occurred 25 minutes after a magnitude 4.2 earthquake had hit on Monday, May 12, 2025, at 12:26 p.m. local time. Europe, Istanbul GMT +3. In 63 kilometers, 39 miles, distance to the east. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.